Hey everyone, did you know that the threat of an asteroid impact is not just a sci-fi movie plot? India's own ISRO Chief S. Somanath has warned us that the possibility of an asteroid hitting Earth is very real, and the consequences? They could be catastrophic. Imagine an asteroid 10 kilometers wide hitting our planet. This is not about a small crater or a regional disaster. We're talking about an extinction-scale event. It could wipe out most of the species on Earth, including us. Now, you might be wondering, how close are we to such a scenario? Well, there's a gigantic asteroid named Apophis, and it's set to pass by Earth in 2029 and again in 2039. While its current trajectory doesn't show a direct hit, the very fact that it's coming so close is a stark reminder. Somanath has shared his concerns, especially after observing an asteroid named Shoemaker-Levy impacting Jupiter. If such an event were to happen on Earth, the aftermath would be unimaginable. The ISRO Chief's message is clear. We must take these threats seriously and prepare ourselves. This isn't just a job for scientists and astronomers, it's a call to action for everyone. From governments to individuals, we all have a role to play in ensuring our planet's safety. So, the next time you hear about asteroids in the news, remember, it's not just distant space talk, it's a real and present danger. And, as S. Somanath says, we must prepare ourselves. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay safe. See you next time.